Bonjour tout le monde, aujourd'hui j'ai 4 étirements pour vous pour étirer le haut du corps. Today we've got 4 stretches that are going to stretch the upper body. Let's do it.
Read our disclaimer on screen or in the description section in case of an emergency. Lisez la fiche de non-responsabilité sur l'écran ou dans la description en cas d'urgence.
First position is going to be child's pose. So I want your feet close, knees wide, hands in front of you. Then I want you to sit your hips back onto your heels and then reach your head through your arms and breathe. While you're in this position, I want you to always think about lengthening your spine. Even if you feel like a little bit of loosening in your spine and you want to reach a little bit further, that's fine. Reaching your arms forward, keeping your arms straight, and always focus on bringing your hips back, pushing your chest through. Focus on your breathing, and with each exhale, I want you to try and sink a little bit further into that stretch. Continuez à concentrer à s'asseoir sur les talons. Je veux que vous mettez la main droite sur la main gauche et que vous continuez à faire la même chose. Vous sentirez plus dans la grande dorsale, mais je veux toujours que vous allongez la colonne vertébrale et que vous passez la tête entre vos bras et que vous vous asseyez sur vos talons. Changez maintenant de côté, alors on met la main droite sur le côté droit et on met la main gauche par-dessus et on passe la tête entre les bras. On respire et on continue à s'allonger et à asseoir sur les talons. De nous asseoir sur les talons. Let's move on now to our kneeling pec stretch. So what I want you to do is I want you to come into a kneeling position where your hips are at about 90 degrees. You don't have to lower yourself down, although you can. Okay? Now, your arms are going to start out, you're going to choose one side. You're going to start out at 90 degrees. You're going to lower that shoulder to the floor. If you feel the stretch in your pec, then I want you to stay there. If you don't feel a stretch in your pec, then I want you to reach a little bit further forward and then lower that shoulder down. I personally felt it back here, so I'm gonna go back here. Then I want you to lower yourself down. Listen to your body. Move forward, move backwards if you need to. And come on back to the center. Other arm now. So you're gonna reach out, bring that shoulder down towards the floor, and you're gonna hold it there. Et on revient à la position neutre. Cette fois-ci, on va faire des reach-throughs. Alors, on va passer un bras en dessous des côtes de l'autre côté. Ok? Alors, je mets ma main en dessous de mes côtes et j'essaie de toucher mon épaule au sol. Et on va sentir la torsion dans le thorax qui va faire du bien. Trois, 2, 1 et on revient à la position neutre et on va changer de bord. Alors on met l'autre main en dessous des côtes et on passe jusqu'au point que l'épaule est au sol et on tient cet étirement. Okay, so reach that arm through underneath your rib cage. Feel the twist in your upper back and your thoracic spine. And come on back to a neutral position. Last thing that we're going to do is an exercise or a stretch called cat-cow. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to inhale, and as we inhale, we're going to arch the back, lift the bum and the head as much as possible. And as we exhale, we're going to round the back, bring the hips towards the shoulders or towards the ribs. And then we're going to repeat that 10 times. Feel free to go a little bit faster or slower than me. Okay? Inhale. Exhale. Inspiration. On va arquer le dos. Expiration. Inhale. Exhale. Really drive those hips through. Inspiration. Expiration. Inspiration. Expiration. Inhale. Exhale. Really round that back. Inhale. Exhale. Inspiration. Expiration. Inhale. Exhale. And really on this last one, round out those shoulders as much as possible. Inspiration, dos arqué. Et dos rond, rond, rond. Et on a fini pour aujourd'hui. On n'a pas besoin d'un retour au calme parce que c'était de la mobilité, mais si jamais vous cherchez un, c'est dans la description, ça se trouve dans la description et on se voit demain. If you're looking for a cool down, although you don't need one because it's mobility, it's in the description. If not, see you tomorrow.
Aimez cette vidéo et abonnez-vous à notre chaîne YouTube afin que vous sachiez exactement quand du nouveau contenu est disponible. Like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you know exactly when new content is coming your way.